Hey, amazing teachers. You know that moment when you're mid-story, totally in the target flow, and suddenly two students start a side conversation about cheese? Instead of stopping class, turning into a TED talk on choices or sacrificing your sanity, try a nonverbal redirect. A gentle tap on the desk, a slow walk towards the chatter, a raised eyebrow so powerful it could qualify as performance art. These tiny moves communicate everything without you breaking the target language vibe. My go to is the teacher hover. I drift over, I smile, and boom, silence. Here's something you can try tomorrow: the desk tap of destiny. When a student is drifting off task, just tap their desk lightly twice. Don't stop teaching, don't narrate, don't make it a whole moment. Just tap. Keep speaking in the target language and move on. Another favorite is the sticky note save. Pre-write a few friendly reminders: focus, eyes, here with us, and set one quietly in front of the student while continuing instruction. They get the message, they stay in the target language, and no one loses their will to teach. If you want to take it up a notch, use the redirect triangle. Step 1, pause near the student without staring like a cryptid. Step 2, place a hand gently on a desk or a chair. Step 3, give a tiny smile, the kind that says, "We're not doing this today." Students adjust instantly, and the entire room stays in the target language flow. And if you want even more classroom saving routines, prompts, and ready to use slides, grab the CI Survival Kit with a Ask Story slides in French, German, and Spanish at mm.us/kit. Your target language rhythm and your blood pressure will thank you. Happy comprehensible input.